Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I want to talk to you about a new initiative I have come up with in a desperate attempt to get my kids to help me around the house this school holidays. I have made a bathroom cleaning basket and a dusting basket, and the idea is that I can give them chores to clean various parts of the bathroom and dust various parts of the house when they say, "Mummy, what's my chore?" Because I give them a chore every single day and I do really struggle coming up with ideas just like that. So what I'm actually going to be creating for this summer is some chore sticks, and I'm going to do a separate video on that a little bit later on this month. But one of the things on that chore stick is going to be to dust a particular area of the house, or to do a sink clean or a toilet clean or a bath clean. So I thought the easiest way to make sure that they did it properly, or at least attempted to, was to create these baskets. So first things first, let me show you how I made the baskets and what I put in them. So here are the materials you will need for your cleaning baskets. Everything I have purchased is from Poundland. So everything cost £1. You'll need a basket with handles, and it needs to have some form of hole in it or mesh in it so that you can attach the cleaning cards. For the bathroom basket, I've got Dettol bathroom wipes, some microfiber cloths and some Cif bathroom spray. For the dusting basket, I've quite simply got some yellow dusters and a good old can of Pledge. Prepare a Word document with your cleaning specifications on it. So I've broken it down to sink clean, toilet clean and bath clean, and I've also added what I would expect for dusting. Print it out and laminate it. Then you're going to cut out each of the sections and attach it to your baskets before filling with the relevant materials. I use cable ties to attach. With the bathroom basket, I've put 3 together with a hole punch, just so that you can choose what to clean. And then I've made sure I've labelled the baskets accordingly. Again, I'm using cable ties for that. And here they are, finished and full of goodies, ready to clean. So now I'm going to read you through what the instructions are on our dusting basket. And we tested this one out. Izzy had a quick go. I asked her to dust the radiator shelf in our lounge. So the instructions are as follows. Take all the items off the side that are easy to remove. Spray polish on the surface. Wipe off with the duster. If an item looks dirty, pick it up and dust it too. Place the items back where they came from. Now for the bathroom cleaning basket. This one has 3 separate tags on it. One for the sink, one for the loo and one for the bath. So I can ask them to either do a full bathroom clean, or I can ask them just to do an individual part of it. This is particularly useful if someone's had a bath the night before and it's a little bit grimy, or if we've been to the beach or the park and we've come back muddy and mucky and a particular area of the bathroom needs sorting out. Let's start with a toilet clean, shall we? So the toilet clean involves using a wipe to wipe off the top of the seat. Lift the seat and clean underneath with the same wipe. Take another wipe and clean around the toilet bowl edge. Put both wipes in the bin. So obviously this isn't a really deep toilet clean. We're not going in the bowl or anything like that. We're not doing brushes and things. I like to know that's been done properly, and I like to include a little bit of bleach. But doing a little extra wipe around with the wipe on the toilet does absolutely no harm at all, and we don't want to be getting bugs over the summer holidays. Then we move on to the sink clean. So the sink clean involves taking all items off the sink, wetting the green cloth and squeezing it out. Now I've been really specific about the colours of cloths because it just makes it easier for them. Spray cleaner all around the sink and on the side. Wipe all over with the wet green cloth. Once it looks clean, dry it off with the pink cloth. Take the basket back to the kitchen, rinse the green cloth out in the kitchen sink and leave both cloths on the draining board to dry. Now if they were going to be moving on to do a bath clean as well, then they wouldn't have to bring them to the kitchen just yet, because this is what a bath clean involves. Take all items off the side, wet the green cloth and squeeze it out. Spray cleaner all around the inside of the bath and on the side. Wipe all over with the wet green cloth. Use the shower to hose off the cleaner and dirt down the plug hole. Once it looks clean, dry it off with a pink cloth. Take the basket back to the kitchen, rinse the green cloth out in the kitchen sink and leave both cloths to dry overnight. So as you saw, both kids got involved, both kids tried everything. There was no complaints. Tom was less than impressed, but he wasn't complaining. I will come back to you in a few weeks' time if it's working, and I'm also obviously going to come back to you with the video on the chore sticks. But if you make baskets for your kids to do different tasks and chores around the house, I would love to know what you do and how you encourage your kids to help around the house. So please do leave me some comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do remember to subscribe to the channel. I upload content 3 times a week now. Once a week is normally a craft tutorial or a top tip. Every Friday is our BTHQ banter video, which is behind the scenes of my studio, my craft studio, Beautiful Things. And Monday's videos are normally random lifestyle, family, vlogs. They can be anything that I fancy filming, hence today's video is up for you on a Monday. So I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.